Gemini, this is Ciao with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for September 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use these oracle decks that I have here. This is a love oracle deck that I will dive into. Geminis, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of August, stepping into September 2021, we have the Queen of Cups. I think in this time, Geminis, you were quite creative and emotional, even quite intuitive. Possibly, you may have been overreacting to situations. Ideally, I think you should have kept your ego aside and you should have tolerated the viewpoints of others, but then you may have felt that someone was trying to usurp your position or someone was undermining your authority. Obstacles to overcome or the challenges that September is going to present is the Six of Swords. Possibly, you have to brace yourself for last minute work. Maybe you should have a very flexible approach. You should be quite pliable and pliant. You'll have to get up and get going. I think official paperwork or official documents could also keep you busy. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be travel or maybe you could be commuting great distances. Geminis, you should also avoid temperamental behavior this month. Influences for this month for Geminis, we have the King of Cups. It's quite likely that you could seek the help of a healer, maybe the doctor, or even you could call upon the lawyer for legal advice. Or perhaps you could also be embodying these qualities. Maybe you're going to counsel others this month. Certainly, Geminis, you're looking for support from your family members as well, but then you may feel that outsiders are more forthcoming. I think you're also being called upon to find alternatives or to find solutions for the problems that are there. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you could be a bit perturbed because people take undue advantage of you. The first 10 days of September, we have the Strength card. Surprises are definitely in store for you in this time. Maybe you're going to come across your past dues or you could make unexpected money gains in this time. Incidentally, while working also, you may feel that there are certain clients who always want to extract more from you, but they are very parsimonious or very stingy when it comes to payment. On the other hand, these clients could accuse you of being indifferent. Maybe you don't want to deal with them. That is why they think that you're a bit aloof. Nevertheless, in this time, I think you'll be quite productive. You will complete a lot of tasks even if you're stressed out. I think you should also be careful because your employer could saddle you with excess work. Maybe responsibilities will also increase. Some delays are also quite likely in this time. Maybe your gadgets could act up or maybe equipment could not be available to you. That is why you have to bear with these delays. Geminis, you will also benefit if you had a more cooperative approach. Sometimes, you may feel as though your way is the right way of doing things, but later you will realize that you should have been more accommodative. I think your boss could also excuse you for being too stuck in your ways, but then every time it's not going to be so. Many of you could also be dealing with government officials in the first 10 days. In fact, they could go out of their way to assist you. That is why you're going to appreciate them. Issues apart, I think this is going to be a very fruitful period for you. It's also the time to let go of people who are no longer important in your life. It could be a bit painful, but then it is necessary for your own highest good. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th September, we have the Page of Cups. Did you notice, Geminis, we have a lot of cards from the Suit of Cups. We have the Queen of Cups, the King, as well as the Page of Cups now in your reading. Certainly, this is also the time when you're going to be quite sought after for your words of wisdom. I think you'll also be the caregiver. Maybe someone around you is unwell. In fact, it did come up that you could be seeking the help of the advisor or a doctor or medical professional because of the King of Cups in your reading. On some days, I think Gemini should be quite withdrawn. Maybe people think that you're quite lost in your own world. They may also accuse you of not doing enough for the family, but you're somebody who's always done more than the needful. Certainly, you are being called upon to defend yourself. You have to enumerate because you feel it's so unfair. In this month, I'm also picking up that estranged people could also want to re-enter your life, but then you don't want anything to do with them. Those of you who are working, I think you should brace yourself because there's going to be unnecessary change of plans here. Maybe you're dealing with a whimsical boss in this time. Oftentimes, you may be a bit reluctant, but then you have to give in to the demands of this superior or a colleague as well. Disagreements could also crop up on account of your differing ideas, or maybe somebody could also threaten to sabotage your work, and this could leave you near tears. Basically, you're dealing with rivalry and jealousy this month. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you should be careful. Maybe somebody could accuse you of not being transparent. Maybe they think that you are up to some mischief. Really, I think Geminis, you should be quite careful in this regard. Those of you who are at the helm of affairs, I think you will be appreciated for being quite open-handed and generous, or maybe you're giving the freedom to the workers to carry on with the task. The last 10 days of September will be marked by excess communication or quick activity because we have the Tower card. We did clarify the Tower and we have the Temperance card. It's a very energetic time for you. You will be up and about. I think you'll also be in a very aggressive mood. Sometimes, there could be delays which you need to counter, but then you should be happy because in the end, you will have your way or you will achieve your ends. Basically, Geminis, this month you're being called upon to control the situation instead of allowing it to go out of hand. And this is very true for the last few days of the month. You also have to prioritize. You have to focus on what comes up suddenly. At times, you could also be a bit confused because you can't decide between two sets of data before you, or maybe there are two sets of information before you. I think Geminis, you will also benefit on account of your networking skills, so that is why you are being asked to network. Other than that, I'm also picking up that there could be taxation issues which could leave you a bit hassled. With respect to your love life, we have this card, devotion. Certainly someone is very devoted to you, or somebody is secretly admiring you. He does want his prayers answered with respect to this connection. In case yours is an unacknowledged relationship, we do have another card which talks about unspoken words hurt. Geminis, there should be communication. In fact, you're known to be communicators, so you should communicate with this person. Sometimes not saying or not speaking up could lead to some awkwardness in a relationship. In case Geminis, you're crushing on someone, I think you'll continue to cyberstalk this person. You definitely believe that one day the two of you will be united. I think you think that there's a promising union on the cards, even though everything is not explicit or everything is unspoken. Many of you will also want to reach out to this person, but then he could choose to ignore you. Perhaps it's not time yet. Also, you're from an ex-flame this month. Maybe this person is trying to reach out to you, but then you realize that this relationship is done and dusted. You may prefer to maintain a distance from this person. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you could also be having those dreams with respect to a past lover. In case yours is a secret romance, I think your mom could disapprove of this relationship. Maybe she could question you as well, but then you remain devoted to this person. There will be dinner dates, or you will exchange gifts with this person, but then some plans could be shelved. I think your person is also somebody who's going to assist you at work. Maybe you will bounce ideas off each other. Oftentimes, you want to talk about your past, and you could reveal everything about your childhood or your early years to this person. On the other hand, married Geminis, I think you could be dealing with a querulous partner. Maybe he's also quite suspicious and could link you with members of the opposite sex. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think you want to talk about your unhappy relationship with those who care to listen to your plight. I think you realize that this person whom you're dealing with is very controlling. From Lenormand, we have this card, birds. Verbal communication, phone calls or short messages are going to be there. Maybe there will also be meetings and interviews lined up this month. For some of you, I think there could be gossip also involved here. Like I said, secrets could come out in the open. Maybe you're also quite restless and edgy because of the situation that you find yourself in, especially when family elders question you about your relationship. Last card in your reading is the Crown Chakra from the Angel Therapy cards. I think you're going to receive messages from your angels and your guides. Maybe there'll be dreams and you could get certain insight there. Maybe some of you could also benefit if you clear the crown chakra or the Sahasrara chakra. Maybe you could use amethyst or clear quartz as well. Basically, you're being called upon to tap into the universe collective wisdom by paying attention to the messages that you're getting. I hope Geminis, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have other pick a card readings lined up. Have a look at them as well. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.